Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find a designer on Hacoo, and this is what I usually do. When you come to search, you can't just search the brand name up. Look at this, if you search it up, you'll get nothing. What you want to do is search for it like this, add an asterisk, then you do Chanel bag, Chanel sunglasses. This is how you do it, okay? Now you can see we get results actually showing up. So let's do Chanel bag. As you can see, we can do Hermes right there, right? So you can also just search up a designer as well. That's what I tend to also do. You'll actually find a lot of designer products like this. But if you want specific brands, then you need to search them up that way. Not just the name, you need to add some symbol as well, okay? So all you have to do is really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix